Hello students, welcome to the channel Edifying Kids. Today we are going to learn English class 7th unit 2 2.2 the souvenir. Students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now so that you will get regular notifications. Now students, here in a previous video we have already learned this lesson thoroughly. If you want the explanation of this lesson, you will get it at the end of this video. So watch this video, try to understand it thoroughly till the last. You will watch so that you will get the next video of the explanation of this lesson. Now we'll see in this video we are going to discuss the question answers. First we'll see the margin questions. Okay, in that, see the left side. In what time periods is the story taking place? Answer: the story is taking place in the future, about 50 years from today. Where does Siley live? Siley lives on Earth. Now next question we'll see. This question: imagine you are landing on the moon. What will be your feelings? Now, children, this answer is: I will be terribly thrilled and excited. I will look all around me so that I could see very single thing clearly. If I had a camera, I will click photographs to show my family and friends back home. I would also visit every possible place and bring back souvenirs. Now next question we'll see. What were the two important instructions? Now when the children went there, at that time receptionist has given some instructions. Okay, and here they ask us which were the instructions given by the two important instructions to the children were given in the book. Also you can see, children, here the instructions are given. To be extremely careful while roaming around outside the settlements. Okay, be careful when you are roaming outside the settlements. At that time, be careful. And the here, careful. Okay, and the second instruction is given, that here you can see the second instructions: to buy souvenirs and articles only from the shops which were inside the dome-shaped settlements and not from the unauthorized shops outside the settlements. Means you will buy the whatever you want to buy. You buy from the settlements, the articles which are inside the settlements, and don't buy anything outside the unauthorized shops. Okay, these were the instructions given by the receptionist to the children. Okay, now next we'll see this, the left hand side. What was special about Skywatch on the moon? Now answer is: on the earth the stars were, you can see the children, stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. You can see here also Skywatch in this both the paragraphs. These two paragraphs you will get the answer here, up from here up to here. Okay, you will get the answer. On the earth the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly, but in the moon sky the stars shone dazzling bright. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. Correct? And also it was it was a 70 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon, making the view enchanting. Okay, children. So this was the special about the sky watch on the moon. Now next question we'll see, what does it tell you about the conditions on the earth at that time? Answer is, it tells us that the pollution level had become so high that it was usually foggy on the earth, and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. Here you can see the answer up to here. Okay. Now next question, what will be the overall effects of having no atmosphere? Answer, the atmosphere contains oxygen, which is essential for life. If there was no atmosphere, there would be no oxygen, and life, as we know it, will not exist. There will be no protection for the earth from the harmful radiation from the sun. The oceans will evaporate due to the extreme heat. The day temperature will be extremely high and the night temperature will be extremely low. All the various objects moving about in space will hit the earth if there was no atmosphere to protect it. What could be the reason behind the unique sitting arrangement? Answer, as the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. The children would have found it difficult to sit on chairs outside the artificially maintained settlements. They would also have to wear spacesuits, therefore, they were made to sit inside the tents. The circus was going on outside the tent because the gravitational force of the moon was making high jumps and long jumps very easy for the gymnasts and thrilling for the spectators. Now next question, to the left hand side, was Sally making a mistake when she bought earrings? Now you can see the answer. Answer is, yes, Sally was making a mistake when she bought earrings. Next question is, what instructions had she ignored? Answer is, Sally and the others had been told to buy the souvenirs and articles only from the shops which were inside the dome-shaped settlements and not from the unauthorized shops outside the settlements. And Sally ignored these instructions when she bought the earrings. Correct? Now next one is the, why had the earrings become so heavy on the earth? Answer is, the weight is the force exerted on the body by the gravity. Sally had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity, which is 1/6 that of the earth. And naturally these earrings will be much heavier in the field of the earth's gravity. Correct? Now next children, we'll see the English workshop. In the English workshop, first question is, guess the meanings of the following words. Now here some words are given and we are going to write the meanings of these words. First word is given, exorbitantly. Exorbitantly means what? Excessively. Precautions means care, or we can say steps taken in advance to prevent something dangerous or unpleasant. Unauthorized means not having official permission or approval. Also one more question is given there, write the smaller and related words that you see within these words. Means exorbitantly, this word is given, you are going to find out smaller words hidden in this big word. Okay, exorbitant, orbit, boxer, then brain, BRAIN, retain, RETAIN, then precautions, CAUTION, question, then cause, 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 sprain, SPRAIN, then stain, STAIN, then unauthorized, hidden words are there, smaller words, authorized, then author, horse, deer, rise. Okay. Now question number 2. Use the details given in the story and your imagination and prepare a timetable for the trip to the moon. Now children, see here timetable is given, trip to the moon. The time is in Earth's hours is given. Trip was 3 days trip, so 3 days are given, day 1, day 2 and day 3. Okay. On the first day, arrival, settling down, then sky watch, lunch, relaxation, visiting settlements, dinner, relaxation, and lastly at 8 o'clock, 8 to 10, self study. In this way all 3 days timetable you can see, and according to this timetable use your imagination and prepare the timetable for the trip to the moon. Now see question number 3. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. A. Sally was traveling in space for the first time. Right. B. Many changes had occurred on the earth in the 100 years before Sally's trip to the moon. Right. C. There were no old cities left on the earth. Wrong. D. Sally's mother did not want her to go on the trip. Wrong. E. There were no human settlements on the moon. Wrong. F. Sally made a hasty purchase. Right. And last is Sally did not understand the mistake she had made. Wrong. Now question number 4. Imagine you are Sally. Write your diary for every day of your trip to the moon and for the day you gave the earrings to your mother. Now children, imagine that you are Sally and accordingly you have to write diary from first day to the last day. Okay, here some sample of diary writing is given. Don't copy it, just it is for just your guidance. Okay, you can take a screenshots of it and write on your own. Imagine that you are a Sally, okay, and according to that you write the diary from first day to the fourth day. Okay. Now next question number 5th. Discuss. In the story, human settlements are mentioned but not cities or villages. Why is it so? So students, according to me, people have just started settling on the moon and making it their home. That's why these human settlements are mentioned but the cities and the villages are not mentioned. Now next question. Gather more information about the following from your science textbook, the internet and other sources. Gravitational force, view of the sky when you are on the moon, and the Chandrayaan mission of India. Now this information you will gather from the internet. Next question number 7. You want to start human settlement somewhere else other than the earth in the universe. Will you select a star or a planet? Why? What features supporting life will you look for? Try to find answer to such a questions and make the presentation using the scientific information and your imagination. So this question also students, you will search the information on the internet, imagine this and try to write on your own. Now last question is about the common noun, collective nouns. Okay, so for this collective noun and common noun, children, at the end of this video you will get one more video of this common noun and collective noun. Okay, so watch that video so that you will get the proper idea of this question. Okay, hope students you understood all the question answers of this lesson.